Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new here. My name is Angelique, also known as Nino Marie. If you are new here, please make sure that you like this video and make sure that you comment and let me know if you like these Pop Smoke inspired braids. They are ombre and I have beads at the end. They are so cute. And I did them myself. So girl, you know you can do them too. And I'm gonna show you how. So if you are interested, please continue to watch. Alright y'all, I used 3 packs of this hair, 2 of the black and 1 of the matte gray. I used Shine and Jam, and I used a rat tail comb and clips, and I also used some clear beads. Everything will be listed in the description below. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I took about 20 minutes just to braid my own hair, and of course you guys know I used 2 mirrors, a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me to help me part. As you can see, I am putting the Shine and Jam along the edges of the section that I am going to be doing the feed-in braid. You want to slick it first and then take a subsection out of that section to begin braiding. And I'm using this braid rack, also known as the thready rack, but it helps. So here I already completed one side, and don't worry about the ends. We're going to ombre the hair, so that's why I left it loose. I braided all the way down to where my hair stopped. So I'm showing you I am doing the other side. You want to apply the Shine and Jam around the edges, and then you can continue to braid. As you can see, I'm feeding it in on both sides, just because I want the braid to be thicker. Sometimes I may skip it, but just continue watching and you'll get the gist of it. Also, let me know if you guys want me to do a separate tutorial on how to feed in braids, just a closer view of it. I can either do it on my hair close up or do it on another person's hair close up, or I can do both. You guys just let me know in the comment section below and we will go from there. Notice I am also applying more Shine and Jam to the ends of the braid as well, so that it can smooth my hair and I can easily tuck my hair under the weave. As you see, I'm adding jam as needed to make sure that my real hair is slick. And I'm going to continue to keep my hands in the same position like I am braiding it on the scalp, just so that I can keep my braid as neat as possible and I won't have any lumps. And then when I get the braid long enough to where I can flip it to the front, as you see me about to do right now, you see how the braid is still neat. You have no bumps, no lumps at all. And I'm just going to continue to braid until the end of my hair has stopped. And then we're headed to feeding in the matte gray hair. Now, this is just a sped up version of me doing it. If you guys want a slowed down close up, please let me know. Comment below and I will be sure to get that video uploaded. Now we are dipping the hair in boiling hot water so that our hair will be more flexible and it won't be stiff. And I use my tea kettle, as you can see right there. It heats up very fast. And I have a huge mug. I love that mug for dipping my braids. So yes, I did my braids even though I am applying beads today. I have 2 long beaters that I already pre-beaded. And I am applying 8 beads to each braid. Okay, so now we are doing the second braid. We are counting 8 braids. Not 8 braids, 8 beads. And then we are going to line it up next to the first braid just to make sure that it's even. Apply our rubber band. We are going to cut the excess hair off. And there you have it. So we're just going to do the same to the rest of the braids. The rest of the braids. I don't know what's wrong with me today, y'all, but just apply the same methods, the same steps to the rest of the braids, and we are all set. We just have to do our edge control and our makeup, and I will show y'all the end results. You've made it to the end of this video. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you all. Thanks a million. Make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you are informed of my next upload. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.